Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chesspedia. This is the English version of the channel Akhand Bharat. So here we look at the book by José Raúl Capablanca, who was a chess legend. The book name is Chess Fundamentals. So it's a very good book for beginners and even players who are around 1200 rank. Okay, 1200 to 1300 rating, somewhere around that. Okay. So let's look at the first chapter, simple mates, and the first example is king and rook mates. Now before going to a chapter, let me first show you two things. When two kings are opposing each other like this, with only one rank or one file, here it's the 7th rank or one file between them, this is known as opposition. Okay, when the kings face each other, one rank is not necessary, it can be 2, 3, but point is facing each other. Okay, and in that case, in rook endings and queen endings, this opposition is very important principle of opposition because we just need one move for checkmate. Why? Because this square, this square, this square are covered by our king. Okay. There is another position we should remember, and that is this position in king rook endmates. Here you can see the king has only two squares left to move, right? So this is important because then the next move will be like this, opposition, but since it is corner, so we need to play one waiting move and checkmate. I hope you understand it. Now let's begin with the example. This is the example here. The king is at a corner, so first we will use the power of rook and then we will move our king to the opposite king in a position except at d6 square. It's a critical square, I will explain you why. So let's play. First use rook to limit the enemy king to the last rank or last file. Here it's the 8th rank. So let's move it to a7. Rook has moved to a7. Now the opposite king can only move in this rank. It has only one square at present. Let's move again. Now our king will follow it as a position. Now here we have a critical decision to make. Why we have critical decision to make? Here if we go c6, then what will happen? We go c6 and it will start moving in this direction or this direction. So let's first go d6. Now this has restricted the king. How we will say? Because now it cannot go back in the other direction. Why? Suppose it goes back, then it's checkmate. We have seen in the position, so it cannot go back. So that's why this is an important step. d6 we block the entry to the opposite side. Okay. So let's play the moves again. It does d6, then next move it attacks our rooks. We save the rook as well as limit the squares. Now move our king. Now again we are at the position I have shown in the beginning. Now at the corner we just need one waiting move and this is checkmate. Okay. Now there is another variation. Suppose when we are moving like here. Now if we have moved to c6, what would have happened? This was the move we did, but had we moved to c6 after this, what would have happened? It could have gone to other side also, then we have to follow it. And there are two things we can use rook also, like in the ending I will show you. Now we have restricted it, and again like the similar position we have seen earlier, one waiting move we will play and this is checkmate. So I hope this example is clear to you. The concept you have to remember is principle of opposition and combining rook and king and putting king into a corner. So two ways we can do this checkmate. Now there are people who go for box theory, and like I will show in the next chapter, next example, this method is faster than the box theory. Okay, it is that only but faster. So I hope this chapter is clear to you and it will help you. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.